notebooks ready. Now, students, question answers I am going to send you in the PDF file in your group, okay? And reference to context of lesson number 9.
Okay,
Yes or
sir.
no? Did you understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Understood. Okay.
So today we are going to start with lesson number 10. But today we will just write the objectives of lesson number 10. Why? I have the habit of first giving you hard words and meanings, and then we start always with the lesson. So this is what we are going to do today also. So just give the heading lesson number 10 in your rough book only. Lesson number 10. I hope you people started giving the heading. Lesson 10. Okay, let us write the name because the name of the lesson is also very attractive. What is the name of the lesson?
Brave dogs.
Brave dogs.
Only two boys are able to speak.
Brave dog.
Brave dogs.
Brave dogs.
Brave dogs.
Okay. So, can anyone first of all, before starting this, can anyone tell me what do you mean by brave? I will not ask what do you mean by dog. Obviously, we know dog is an animal. It is the honest, very loyal animal. What about the brave? What do you mean by brave? Can
Sir, Rasan can
anyone?
tell.
Yes,
Bahadur.
Hasan.
Brave means strong. Strong.
Okay. So, in English language, we can even say gallant. Gallant means brave, means who has a good courage to do anything for good. Okay, so brave dogs. But here, dogs. So many dogs here might have shown their bravery. That is why a full story is made. And this story, in the previous year, just when I explained this story, the boys were listening like this for two lectures. It is so interesting story, I must tell you. And so first of all, let us write the objectives and we will discuss something more about this story. See, boys, hard words I always take out from the lesson. keeping in the mind all the level of the students, because few hard words are really easy, but sometimes in the exam you get confused whether E comes first or I comes first, this way. Sometimes the easiest spellings takes up much of your marks. Why is this happening this way? Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
what is written in number 17?
Is it my handwriting, dear? You cannot understand.
Sir, N
You should.
U M.
What happened? What happened? And who was speaking? Okay, I think some girl came in our class. Hassan, is there any girl in our class? Why I thought that some sound is there of girl.
No, sir.
Then who was speaking?
Sir, I suppose that Ahad.
Okay, so he is not able to answer second time, or maybe he is eating something because the time when he is supposed to speak, he does not speak. Just say yes, sir, in your name when you finish all these 20 words.
Yes, sir. Sama Muhammad Yes, sir. Zaid. Priyani Shafiq. Yes, sir. Priyani Shafiq.
Yes, sir. Say
Yes, sir.
Kaihan.
Abuja. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, yes, sir. Number 18, what is written?
diphtheria.
D.
Now, few are the names here and few are the words. And mostly the names which are used in this story as the characters also is written so that you can practice those words. Diphtheria is a disease, the name of the disease here. Okay, so that is it
Yes, sir.
for,
Hasan Kapashi.
yeah. Now, give the heading. See, these I am all giving you in the meanings. It could be even asked in the form of give one word. You have to be prepared for the either questions, for the either ways. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, and your name when you finish all these eight meanings.
Yes, sir. लखवी रागी
Southern
sir.
Biryani Shafiq. Southern Biryani
Yes, sir.
Shafiq.
लखवी रागी sir.
Yes, sir. मैं तरबूज है.
Yes, sir. Shama Mohammed Zaid. Yes, sir. Hassan.
What about others?
Yes, sir. Sheikh Rehan.
Okay, then give the heading, give one word because give one word are also there, but in
Yes, sir.
different way. Who is this? How many of you have written three? Just say yes sir in your name.
Sir, my two's answer is left.
Yes, sir, Hassan.
Yes, sir. Sama Muhammad Zaid.
Very
Sir,
good.
can you swipe? My first answer is left. First answer is left.
I do not know your name. I do not know anything. You did not say excuse me, sir. Why should I swipe?
Sir, I'm not Dolia. My first and second answer is left. So that's why.
But Ahad, you did not answer me first when I called your name three times. So why should I answer you? Two times? No, three or more than three times I called your name. That Ahad, where are you? Ahad, where are you?
So that was my network issue.
That is good issue. That is good excuse you are giving me.
I was
Because
left.
just when you just when you spoke on the spot, I called your name. It is not like after 2 minutes I called you. This will not do, Ahad. Otherwise, I'm going to complain your parents. Quickly complete those whose first, second, third are left. Those who are slow total.
Sir completed Dolia.
So boys, there are seven. Give one word.
Sir, done Priyani Shafiq.
Done.
Very
Sama
good.
Muhammad Zaid.
Great.
Sheikh Rehan.
Great.
Yes, sir, Hassan.
Okay.
Sir, done with Tarbuza.
Great.
DS Gavasai. DS Gavasaya, what is that?
Sir, आपको लगे सर work has done. काय काय?
How many of you are still writing? How How many of you are still writing?
Yes, sir, beta. Yes, done.
Is anyone still writing? See, in the fair book, you will have to underline this with the pencil as I have underlined. Okay, you can write with the pen. Do not underline anything with the pen, not even the heading. Underlining should be done only with the pencil. Now, this is very clear instruction given. Okay, now I'm going to close this. Fine. So, in the previous chapter, in the unusual sports, we have done hard words. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Meanings and given word are also done. Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
MF I have given you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, have I given you FB and CF?
Sir, FB you give, but CF is not.
CF don't give.
FB I have given.
Yes, but CF is not given.
Let me just check if is it there or not. It would not be there, I suppose, in the ninth lesson. No, CF for the ninth lesson is not there. It would be there in this new lesson. Okay. It would not be there, I suppose, in the ninth lesson. No, CF for the ninth lesson is not there. It would be there in this new lesson. Okay. So this is done only question answers and two reference to context are there. Great. Okay. Now let us just do a short revision of this lesson which we have done. Kho, Malakham and Kabaddi. I'll just ask you a few questions and that will be the end. So Hassan, you will have to help me in calling out the names one by one. Those who will not answer, write their names so that we can later call their parents and from tomorrow onwards they will not come to my class. So hold the pencil, the book and Hassan call out the name.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Samira Ghayal.
I think Ghayal Mohammad Zaid.
सर मेरा हो गया.
Ghayal Mohammad Zaid. Ghayal Mohammad Zaid.
Yes, sir.
Not answer. Okay, I was supposed to write your name. So, Ghayal Mohammad Zaid, we have done this lesson before. So, just explain me what do you mean by contact sport? What do you mean by contact sport? Okay, he is not answering Hassan, write his name.
Okay, sir.
And call out the next name.
Yes, sir.
Mute your mic.
Sir, Raj Musani.
Sir Raj Musani.
No, sir. The name is Raj Musani.
Sir, KF. Sir, his name is KF. Sir, Raj Musoni name is KF.
Mute your mic. I think Hassan also left.
No, sir. I am there. But I wait for that Raj Musani answer.
No problem. Write his ID name and then call out another name.
Okay. Mm, sir, Tawfiq Islam.
Sir Tawfiq Islam.
No, sir, the name is Tawfiq Islam.
He left. Write his name. Though he
Yes.
left, write his name because parents, we need to call the parents.
Okay, sir. Arman Gori.
Write his name and call out another name.
Okay, sir. Ali Asgar Wasaya.
Yes, sir.
Ali Asgar Vasaya, we have already done this chapter. We are doing this revision. So tell me how many players or 1 second. Now, yes, tell me how many players are there in the each side of kabaddi in each team.
6.
Six are there. Hassan, is he right?
Yeah.
No, sir.
So how many members are there, Hassan? Tell him.
Sir, in one team, 212 members are there, and 9 players are play at a time.
Is that for the kabaddi or for the other game? Who will tell me how many members are there in the kabaddi?
Sir, can I say Paryani Shafiq? Uh, first team was 7 player and second team also 7 player.
Sir, 10
How many?
player.
Total 7 players, 14 player are there.
Not total on each team.
Sir, 10 player. Sir, 10.
7 players. Seven. So seven is the correct answer. Okay, Hassan, call out another name.
Yes, sir. Sir, Shaban Ali.
Sir Shaban Ali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Shaban Ali, you are sir.
No,
Then
I am Sama Muhammad Zaid.
Hassan is telling you Sir Shaban Ali. So you are Sir. Sir Zed.
No, I am not, sir.
Hassan called you as Sir.
No,
Sir, I
sir.
am not a sir.
The student name is.
Okay.
What?
Anyways, now there are three types of Malakham games described here. So Zed, tell me which are those three types of
One
Malakham.
kabaddi.
Shut up, I'm not asking you that. I'm asking you there are three types of Malakham. See, Malakham is written. So in Malakham there are three other types. So which are those three types described here? I explained you very, very in detail this thing. Okay, Zed, so you have to write 10 times. Okay, see. Can you see my cursor? Where is my cursor?
No, sir.
So there are three types, fixed, hanging, and rope. Just in the second paragraph, third line. See, second paragraph, third line.
Yes, sir.
Pole or fixed, hanging, or and rope. These are three types. Write it 10 times and just after the lecture, write it down and then send me the photo with your name. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hassan, call out the name.
Yes, sir. Yes. Mm,
Okay, let it be. I want to give one instruction. Students, see tomorrow I will start the explanation of the brave dogs. That means on Monday. So please make sure if you have textbook, keep with you. If you do not have, still try to understand the story as 10th lesson is going to come in the exam. Only if you understand the story will you be able to understand the question answers and write the other objective answers. So be attentive in all the lectures and be present in all the lectures. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Bye. Have a
Bye,
nice
sir.
Bye, sir.
Sir, bye, sir. Sir,